Hey all, this is Team Jack. Welcome to our social VR experience. Uh, so this is the main gathering hall where all users or all participants first gather here. And our experience is mainly designed to focus on team collaboration that will improve the leadership skills of the participants. So users first gather here in the gathering hall. So if you see here, there is a room, a tutorial room where the participants are recommended first to visit in order to have an idea on how to operate the Mozilla Hubs. So then in the gathering hall, we have three more rooms, which are the activity rooms, the riddle room, the maze room, and the murder mystery room. There is a facilitator who will be guiding us all throughout the event. Let's explore the tutorial room. So let's enter the tutorial room. So this room contains all the instructions on operating the Mozilla Hubs and will be helpful further while exploring the other activity rooms. So now let's go back to the main lobby. Now let's explore the riddle room. Let's enter the riddle room. So this is the riddle room, and the riddle room has a number of riddles that the participants should discuss and interact with each other and solve them. There are also two different galleries in the riddle room with different images, and these images are related to the answers of the riddles. So these images are also labeled here so that the images can be matched to the any riddle very easily. So there are other images as well in order to confuse the participants and make the game more interesting. The facilitator might also put time constraints to solving the riddles. So this is all about our riddle room. So let's go back to the main lobby. We're back in the lobby. Now let's explore the maze room. Now let's enter the maze room. A lot of communication and collaboration from the team. The way this maze works is that there is going to be a giant maze and you spawn in here. One person spawns in here at this point, and there are other persons that will be spawning at the blue points if you see here, and there's one other spawn point here. So the person up here will have to guide the person at this blue spawn to reach the exit. Here is the exit point. And this exit point has entrance to the main lobby. Now let us explore the final activity room, which is the murder mystery room. So now we are in the murder mystery room. Let's enter. Okay, so this is the murder mystery room. So the main idea of this murder mystery room is to find out who the murderer is by going through the different clues given here. Here, people should interact with each other and discuss among themselves and find out who the accused is. So if you go here, there are many clues available where you have to discuss with your teammates and interact with them and come to a conclusion of who the accused is and tell it to the facilitator. So this is all about the murder mystery room. At the entrance, let's go back to that. Now let's go back to the gathering hall. So we are back in the gathering hall. Finally, there is a feedback form for the user to fill in his views of his overall experience, and which is very important to us for giving out the best output. Thank you.